everyone, welcome to my channel Rams Happy Whispers. Today's topic is a fantastic, fantabulous, marvelous, mind blowing, extraordinary topic. Definitely, the topic is family time, happy time. If you really want to be happy in life, give some time to your family. Are you getting me? Spend some time with your family. Spending time with your family is a very productive time. It's a very good time, very genuine time where everybody has to understand the importance of their family and they have to spend some time with the family. How much time? At least 1 hour a day. You have 24 hours. We all have 24 hours a day. Can't you spend 1 hour with your family? Are you really spending 1 hour with your family? At least some time? Are you getting me? Question yourself. If you're so busy, if you don't even have some time, at least 1 hour time to spend with your family, what are you doing? I don't understand. What busy you are? I don't understand. Are you getting me? Just question yourself this one thing so that you'll understand how much happiness you're missing every single day. Just spend some time with your family, at least 1 hour a day. Don't you have 1 hour? And that is very important. Why are you not giving importance to your family? Other than your family, what is that much important to you? Are you not a part of your family? You are here right now because your family has supported you in all the ways and means. Are you getting me? Your parents have given support in their capacity to give whatever is required. I don't say everything they have given and they can give everything. No, even we cannot give anything and everything to our to anybody as well. Are you getting me? So don't expect that everybody will give everything. That will never ever be possible. How can a person give everything and anything to anybody? I don't understand. They can give in their capacity. Are you getting me? You have to understand that one thing. So understand your family. Just spend some time. If at all you don't know how to spend some time with your family, start saying thank you to your family. Are you getting me? If you feel this otherworldly as funny or something, then just spend some time with yourself thinking about your mother's, greatness, or your father's, or your sister, your brother. Are you getting me? Just say thanks to you, saying that my mom has, prepared a very delicious recipe today. Thanks, mom. And my mom supported me till this day, so thank you, mom. My dad supported me till this day. Thank you, dad. My sister supported me in some ways or means. Thank you, sister. My brother is always there by my side. Thank you, brother. So say this to yourself for over a period of time until you feel this thanks is so easy and very normal, and then start implementing this with your family members as well. Just say some kind of thank you. Are you getting me? Just appreciate. Your mother might have prepared some kind of a delicious food some time ago, right? Just recollect that. Every single day, he or she prepares. He or she, in the sense your mother or father, prepares something or the other. Are you getting me? Some kind of a help they will provide you. So just say thank you. Or else, if at all you have something to share with them, where you felt very happy about, then just go share with them. Initially, it might seem so, so abnormal, but this is not abnormal, right? It's very normal. It's quite important. So in everybody's life, this is very important. Just try to give importance to your family. If you can't give importance to your family, who do you give importance to? Who is that important to you other than your family? I don't understand. If you don't give importance to your family, you'll never ever be happy. Because there was a time when I read about a story called Wooden Bowl. I don't know how many of you know about this Wooden Bowl story. When you give Wooden Bowl to your parents, that eventually your children will give that Wooden Bowl to you. Have you heard about this story? Now I'm not going to talk about that story. But so what am I trying to tell you is what kind of practices you perform, that shows your mark to the next generations. Are you getting me? So treat your family well. Just understand how much they have done to you till this date. Recognize their importance. Recognize their responsibility. Are you getting me? When you question their responsibility, you also have some duties to do, right? So, what is your duty as a son or a daughter? Are you getting me? Family is very important, isn't it so? Whatever we are very happy because our family is there with us, because our family is acting as a support system to us, isn't it so? Other than our family, who can you believe in? See, I'm not saying that the others, you cannot believe the others. If at all you have to believe somebody, it is your own mom, it is your own dad, it is your own sister, it is your own brother, isn't it so? If you neglect them, who do you believe in? Who do you give importance to? That's a big question mark. And you have to understand this. A family is a support system. When you neglect the support system, how can you be happy? Our family is an asset. When you neglect the asset, do you think that asset is going to reap benefits to you? It never ever reap benefits to you. Are you getting me? So understand, when you are doing your work well as a student, you are doing your work because your family is supporting you in providing all the ways and means which you require. As a husband, you are doing something outside, which means your wife and your family is protecting you and supporting you. As a wife, if you are doing everything well, your family and your husband is protecting you and supporting you. As a daughter, as a son, when you are happy out there, which means the rest of the work in the background, your family is working. Are you getting me? So how can you neglect that important thing in your life? Are you getting me? It's a life surviving element, of course. That's one great thing. Family, getting into a family system and we getting a great family is actually a blessing. So understand that blessing. Are you getting me? And then make use of it. Just give some time. Can't you invest 1 hour's time in a day to understand and talk about something? Are you getting me? How you spend 1 hour time is your choice. There are many ways. Just go talk for some time or else have meals together, breakfast, lunch or whatever it is. Are you getting me? So start spending some time with your family every single day. At least 1 hour. And some people, when we talk about spending their productive time with their family, they have given some expressions and they behaved in such a way that that is a burden. Oh my goodness, I don't understand. If you can't spend your time with your family, what kind of a work you are doing? I don't understand. Other than your family, who is very important to you? If you can't recognize the importance of your family, what do you recognize? Nobody recognizes you as well, because when you can't recognize your own family and their support to you, nobody recognizes you and your support as well. So start giving some time to your family. It's very important. It's very productive time. Trust me in this regard. Just inculcate some time. Just inculcate this into your day-to-day activities. Every single day you have to invest some time. Initially, and yes, because I've talked about spending some time, some people will be talking about all world problems and other worldly problems at that 1 hour time. You have 1 hour time. And why are you talking about all of these things? Are you getting me? All of a sudden, somebody might have done a very big mistake and they take this as an opportunity to talk about something. Come on, when something is, haunting you like anything, first you have to resolve that. And somebody who has been waiting so long to talk about this will definitely take this as an opportunity to talk about this and resolve the issue. Understand, when somebody is ready to resolve the issue, that is also for your good. Isn't it so? That also gives you happiness. Initially, everything will be very difficult. Are you getting me? A beginner's life will always be a big burden life. Why? Because he or she doesn't know how to deal with that. Eventually, you get accustomed to all of these things and then you resolve. You all have to understand one thing, that everything takes time. So spending your time with your family, which means spend one day and then you don't feel the entire happiness in the world, but definitely you feel happiness. Eventually you all have to inculcate this, and trust me, you definitely will be the happiest person in this world. Your family is the first thing which you have to give priority to. Just go inculcate this into your life. First, talk something good. Say thank you, appreciate each other, help each other in some way or the other. Are you getting me? Help could be of anything. When you appreciate your mom, that is a help. Are you getting me? You're recognizing your mom's efforts, your father's efforts, your sister, your sibling, so on and so forth. Are you getting me? So start. Choice is yours. In what way you want to spend your time, that is your choice. But remember one thing: happy means what? Happy thoughts, happy actions, happy deeds. So when these three come together, that is when you'll be happy. If at all you talk about otherworldly problems, happiness doesn't come, right? But if your intention is this, if you give some time, eventually happiness comes. So it is you who have to understand what you want. But end of the day, you have to understand that you have to be happy. Even if you want to talk about some problem, make sure discuss that this is a problem, we have to resolve it. So you both have to talk to each other to resolve the issue. If this is the case, even that conversation is gonna bless you like anything. It's gonna shower you immense happiness into your life. Trust me in this regard. Implement that in your life today. From today on, every single person has to invest some good time with their family, at least 1 hour. The more the better. Are you getting me? So that's all for today. Bye bye for now.